Hello, my name is Brain. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we talk about how depression affects the people's life. Let's go. So ultimately, this scenario leads us to conclude depression is a complex and deeply personal struggle that affects millions worldwide. Through Sarah's story, we've glimpsed the darkness and hopelessness that can accompany depression. Depression is not a weakness, it's a treatable medical condition. Support from loved ones, therapists, and support groups is crucial. Self-care, mindfulness, and creative expression can aid recovery. Recovery is possible. Remember, you are not alone. Your story matters. Healing is a journey, not a destination. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share, and comment.